Is your refrigerator ice maker not making ice? Before replacing expensive parts, let's look at the 3 things every ice maker needs to work. Number 1. The freezer must be cold enough. Most ice makers will not operate unless the freezer temperature is around 12 degrees Fahrenheit or colder. A simple thermometer can help you verify the temperature. If the freezer is too warm, the ice maker may be perfectly good but will never cycle. If the refrigerator is not cooling properly, make sure the evaporator fan and condenser fan are running and the compressor is operating. Number 2. The ice maker must be able to cycle. Many modern ice makers have a test or harvest mode. Some have a button that you press and hold for about 3 seconds. Others can be tested through the refrigerator's diagnostic mode. When placed into harvest mode, the ice maker should rotate the ejector fingers and complete a cycle. Watch carefully. Does the ice maker move? Does it complete the cycle? If the ice maker has power but will not cycle, the ice maker itself may need to be replaced. Number 3. Water must enter the ice maker. At the end of the harvest cycle, the refrigerator should send water into the ice maker mold. If the ice maker cycles but no water enters, several things could be causing the problem. First, check the water filter. A restricted filter can reduce or stop water flow. If your water dispenser is also not working properly, replace the water filter first. Next, check for a frozen water fill tube. The small tube that supplies water to the ice maker can sometimes freeze shut. Another possibility is a defective water inlet valve. The valve may be receiving power, but not opening to allow water into the ice maker. Here's a quick summary. Cold freezer. Working ice maker. Water entering the mold. If one of those 3 things is missing, the ice maker won't make ice. I'm Deborah with All Pro Appliance Service. If this video has been helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it. And feel free to post any comments or questions you may have. There is also a link in the description of this video for a digital thermometer you can purchase to check the temperature in your refrigerator. All Pro Appliance will receive a small commission from this purchase from Amazon. Thanks for watching this video. And please check out our other videos for more helpful appliance repair tutorials, tips, and information.